Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and this is Boston Whalers 2019 25 Outrage. We'll start at the stern of this boat. This one's equipped with twin 225 Mercury 4-strokes. If you want performance, you want some speed on a 25-foot boat, this one's got it with those 225 Mercuries back there. You got a nice fold-away seat. You need some extra fishing room in the back of the boat. Look how easy that was to put that seat away. If you've been out swimming, tubing, skiing, you need to rinse that salt water off of yourself. You got a little freshwater shower right there before you enter the cockpit of the boat to rinse yourself off. One live well over here on the port side. Then you got a nice big leaning post here, and you've got a big live well inside this leaning post as well. A couple of drink holders conveniently located there. Some shotgun rod holders on the top of the T-top. The ergonomics with this boat, I just love it. If you like to stand up and drive, look how this fits, and come feel this for yourself, how comfortable this is standing behind the helm of this boat. Even if I want to sit down too, do that, just do a couple changes to the steering wheel, to the armrest, and I'm still in a perfect, comfortable, I can sit like this for 5 hours running offshore. So you're gonna love the way that you feel behind the wheel on the 25 Outrage. Nice big dash here so that you can fit, we have whatever multifunction display GPS chart plotter on here that you want to. We haven't chosen that because we want you to decide. You want to put a Garmin unit, you want to put Ray Marine, pick your size, pick your brand, and we'll install it right here at MarineMax. Coming around to the starboard side, you've got an entrance for your head. Huge area down there, and look at how nicely finished off. I want Summer to get down in and show the walls in there. And just how everybody else puts a piece of canvas up, or they don't bother finishing because they don't think anybody looks in there. But look what a great job Boston Whaler does. Your forward-facing seats on here, your bow seat, whatever you want to call it. Again, super comfortable. Look at the armrests that they put on here for you. We've got some more seating right up here. This particular boat has the electric anchor windlass right here with the remote, so that you want to see when your anchor's coming up, you've got the remote right here so you can come to the front of the boat and you can watch you can make sure you're not running over your anchor line or your anchor chain. I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is Boston Whalers 25 Outrage. Give me a call today. Let's talk about it.